Welcome to Career Classes, and today we are going to discuss about pronouns. So, first of all, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. It means ये नाम की जगह पे he, she, it यूज़ किया जाता है. For example, he, she, it, they, someone, whom. Okay, pronouns can do all of the things that nouns can do. It means जहाँ पे नाम आपने यूज़ किया है, सपोज आपने सीमा यूज़ किया है, तो वी कैन यूज़ she for सीमा, Ramesh for he, like that. So things that nouns can do. It means pronoun and nouns are equal. Some examples of pronouns there are I, me, mine, myself, she, her, herself, we, us, ours, and ourselves. Okay. Now, types of pronouns. It has 4 types: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. First is personal pronouns. Definition is personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace names of a person or thing. For example, Seema is a new student. Earlier, she was studying in Bombay. Here you can see that Seema is a noun, and in the another sentence we use a she for her. We use a she for Seema. So that is pronoun. Okay. So नाम की जगह पे जब भी आप he, she या it यूज़ करते हैं, it's called a pronouns. Okay. Okay. Types of pronouns in that: subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns that play the role of subject in a sentence. For example, he, she, it, I, all are the subject pronouns. Object pronouns that play the role of object in a sentence. वो एक चीज़ की तरह बाद में बन जाते हैं. That's why they called object pronouns. In the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to particular person. Okay, pronouns is related always to particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects. It's not related only to human beings, but it related to animals and other objects also. For example, monkey है, हम monkey के लिए it भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, right. So subject pronouns are I, you, we, he, she, it, they. Okay, ये आपको beginning में दिखाई देंगे sentence में. And object pronouns are me, you, us, him, her, it, them. We can see them in the last or in the second sentence. Okay, next. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. It means आपकी कोई चीज़ है, वो आपको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करनी है, कौन से वर्ड से आप उसको बोलेंगे, वो यहाँ पे बताया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ माई पेन, नॉट योर पेन. सो पेन इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट, बट माई इज़ अ पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन, बिकॉज आप इससे इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं कि दिस पेन इज़ माइन, ये मेरी पेन है. सो दिस इज़ माई पेन, माई इज़ अ पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ माइन, दिस इज़ माइन नॉट योर्स, ये मेरी है, आपकी नहीं है. Some possessive pronouns words are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours and theirs. Maybe they are in a singular, maybe they are plural. लेकिन ये सब pronouns he, she, it के ऊपर से ही बने होते हैं. For example, my का यहाँ पे mine हुआ है, your का yours हुआ है. Okay, so ये possessive pronouns हैं. Next is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative words are that show which person or thing is being referred to. It means what it means? It means it point out to people or a things they stand for. For example, कि आपको कोई भी चीज़ अपनी उससे इंडिकेट करनी है, तो आप कौन से वर्ड से उसे इंडिकेट करेंगे? तो these 4 words are for that: these, that, these and those. These all are demonstrative words. Or we can say demonstrative adjectives also. बिकॉज ये नाउन को मॉडिफाई करता है. नाउन की जगह पे कभी एडजेक्टिव्स ये भी होते हैं, तो ये नाउन को मॉडिफाई करता है. राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस एप्पल इज गुड, आई लाइक दोज हाउसेज. तो दिस मॉडिफाई एप्पल, यहाँ पे एप्पल को ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. दिस एप्पल, ये एप्पल. एप्पल इज अ सब्जेक्ट, एप्पल इज अ सब्जेक्ट बट ऑब्जेक्ट. लेकिन यहाँ पे दिस जो है वो नाउन बन जाता है बिकॉज वो एप्पल को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. ओके. एंड दोज मॉडिफाइज हाउसेस. दोज once again is a present like a pronoun and house is like a object. Okay. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative, you know that what is the meaning of interrogative? It is a question mark. So who, whom, which and what are interrogative pronouns. यानी कि WH वाले कोई भी sentence it's called a interrogative pronouns, as they are used to ask a questions about a person or a subject that we do not know about. It means कोई भी sentence में WH question वाले कोई भी words लगे हैं, that's called a interrogative pronouns. Okay. Compounds of these words are made by attaching a word to the words to strengthen the emphasis on the word. Okay. Interrogative pronouns list which, what, who. दिस इज़ द एग्जाम्पल कि WH के कौन से वर्ड्स आपको आ सकते हैं, कैसे कैसे आ सकते हैं. विच यू हैव अ लिमिटेड चॉइस, आस्किंग फॉर अ जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड व्हेन आस्किंग अबाउट अ पर्सन एंड अ नेम. ओके. ओके, थैंक यू.